Spray some WD-40 on him.
Oh, hey, come here. I know, you're unhappy, huh? It's okay. It's okay.
Bill's chest, how bad is he bleeding?
Yeah, he knows he's stuck. He's probably fought this for fucking days.
You think you're gonna be able to get into there? Not even days, it's only been in there for since last night. Or...
Well, you know.
Keep cutting it. Yeah. There you go. Oh, it's that wire grabbing his ass too. There we go.
Get ready for him to lash out.
Yep.
Hey. Hey. He's not out yet, bud.
You got some food? Something to get to him?
He's not out yet.
No, he's gonna take off as soon as we get her out of there.
Oh,
bro.
yeah, dude.
She's gonna take off.
These cats are
These
feral.
are all wireless, yeah.
Feral as
Mm,
fuck. He might scratch the shit out of me.
They happened to my cat one time. He got his head stuck in a bag.
There you go. He's good.
I'll kick him if he tries to jump on me.
Damn, his head was all the way in there.
What kind of soup was that?
There you
He's gone. Good job. Good job. That's how you rescue a cat.
I told you he was